Hi, just a quick video on this horn that constantly beeps. I saw another video where the screw had fallen out, and it's exactly the same as what I found with mine. The problem I had was removing the horn from the clips that are inside. Now, this car, I've disconnected the battery, but I haven't disconnected the airbag off the back of the horn. I just wanted to do a quick video just to show you I did struggle with the right side of the release clip, and I was using a pretty small thin flathead screwdriver to try and move that spring. That did not help. What did help me, although it still required quite a lot of pressure, was a bigger flathead screwdriver with a sort of larger handle, which I was able to grip better. And you do put it into that slot that it's at the back, and what you need to do is slide it through, so it will come through the slot there, you can see. Now what you are trying to do, and I just wanted to show you because I was trying to find videos that would show what we're trying to move across exactly, and basically it's this spring here. So I will try and point to it. So you are putting your screwdriver through that top part, and you are trying to move this part of the spring outwards. So if you watch, you should see this spring. If you see the flathead part of this screw, I don't know if I can get that in there, no, but in effect you're going in with the flathead like that, and you are trying to push this spring like that. And it's even difficult right now as I'm trying to show you. It's a struggle to try and do that, but in effect that is what you're trying to do, and it doesn't really spring very well compared to the other side, the left hand side, which springs very freely. I'm not sure if this is a design fault, and that's why the other YouTuber was trying to release this with a struggle, but it is pretty tough. And for some reason, there we go, that's what you're trying to move. Even without the horn, it's very sticky and glitchy. I'm really struggling even as it is now, whereas this side, the left hand side, is a breeze. It literally just slides in and moves sideways, really easy, as you can see. Yeah, but the right hand side really is a bit of a struggle. Get this, the largest flathead screwdriver that will probably fit in there, and just give it a real good push out so that the spring moves across. It's hard, it's difficult, but it does move when you get the right position. I did notice that when I was trying to, probably with the previous flathead, did cause a bit of damage to the side of the horn, as you can see here, probably missing the point where the spring was, but the spring sits just behind that plastic area of the horn, so around here. And what you're trying to do is in effect get that spring budging. Thought I'd just show this. It seems to be a struggle, but it does work eventually. And basically the horn continuously beeps because this screw is loose, and I presume it's causing some sort of short between the back of the horn and the point of where the horn spring is. Possibly, I'm not exactly sure, but all I know is that that screw is out, comes from this point here, uses a Torx 20 to put back in, which I've got here, and I'll put that back in and hopefully slide the horn back in quite easily. If not, I'll do another video. Thanks for watching.